How can creativity and innovation help you? When big old scary MRI machines weren't working for kids, designers looked at things from a little human's point of view. And when wine producers needed to ship bulk bottles safely and inexpensively, they actually copied packaging of another fragile product.
Every day, creative solutions and innovative ideas propel organizations forward. But creativity is not limited to just artists, and innovation is not limited to technology. Actually, anyone can produce creative and innovative solutions. You just need a guide to help you think outside the norm.
And that's where we come in. Introducing Creativity and Innovation Leadership Kits by Rethink Reset. The first all-in-one leadership kit that has everything a leader like you needs in order to engage your team, overcome obstacles, and take advantage of business opportunities. Included in the kits are 4 unique creativity and innovation exercises that help you remove perceived boundaries, look at things differently, build on each other's ideas, and encourage lateral thinking.
And facilitators love how easy it is to prepare in under 60 minutes, while teams love getting a gift that stimulates their senses no matter if they're in person or virtual.
With the Creativity and Innovation Leadership Box, you as a leader have everything you need to tap into the gold mine of your team's expertise to solve difficult challenges and take advantage of new opportunities.
So, it's time to think inside the box.